Well, if we get through this hurricane season without a major storm, Florida will have gone 10 years without being hit by a hurricane. Now, you'd think our insurance rates would plummet, but in fact, we're still paying the highest insurance rates in the country. Today, I looked into why we can't seem to get a break.
The nightmarish storms of 2004 and 2005 caused billions in damage. No one was surprised when insurance rates shot up the next year, but they didn't expect them to stay high.
We haven't had a hurricane in 10 years. Rates ought to be coming down.
Consumer attorney Sean Shaw doesn't buy the excuses. Just a few years ago, the insurance industry was saying a spike in sinkhole claims explained the persistently high premiums. Industry spokesperson Lynn McChristian admits that is no longer the case. Now there is another explanation.
The cost of the materials used to rebuild a home, those are rising. And what insurance is based on for homes is the cost of rebuilding.
That's true, but in the absence of hurricanes, insurance companies haven't had to pay those higher rebuilding costs as often. Many of Florida's biggest insurers have reported massive profits, helped in part by this rare decade of calm in Florida. But to the industry, the last 10 years don't seem to matter.
There's nobody that thinks that our hurricanes are over. So what insurance has to do is to price for what is expected to happen in the future.
It's always something that prevents insurance companies from lowering rates.
So what's a consumer to do? Until state authorities start getting tougher on the insurance industry, the best you could do is aggressively shop. Get property insurance quotes from as many companies as you can to get the best rates.